हे गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर हम लोग प्राइस टू कैश फ्लो के ऊपर बात करने वाले हैं। ये प्राइस टू कैश फ्लो क्या होता है एंड आई विल टेल यू कम्प्लीटली फ्रॉम द बेसिक लेवल दैट जो आपको समझ आ जाएगा कि प्राइस टू कैश फ्लो क्या होता है इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रायर नॉलेज ऑन द स्टॉक मार्केट इटसेल्फ। So we, as you know, that we are on the website of ticker.phenology.in, and we are just taking an example of the Adani Power. You can take any example as you want. So just refresh it once. Okay. So here, if you scroll down there, then you will see we have, by the way, we have covered all of these things. Okay, this market cap, dividend yield, जो भी चीज़ यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, book value, EPS, ROE, ROC, we have covered all of them. If you just go through in the channel and search about it, you will see everything on that particular channel. Not you don't have any um, prior thing to just visit into that channel. Just that you have internet, you have mobile phone, you have laptop, just explore it and learn about it. The main goal should be learn, not obviously from where you learn, and just make sure that you get the authentic knowledge, obviously not about this fancy setup and something like that. And I am trying my best to tell you what I knew. Okay, so we have covered all of these things. This peer comparison is literally very interesting. If you see the Adani Power peer is NTPC, you will see that every details about the price, market cap, PBP, you will see everything here, irrespective of whatever the sector you are eager to explore or something else. So previous video we have covered debt to equity ratio. This is one of the most important video, I would say, that debt to equity ratio is much more important as we think about it. And now we'll see another important topic, which is price to cash flow. If you want to read the definition of it, then you will see that it used to calculate company's market value with its cash flow, just like P ratio. This ratio, when compared to peer, is lower the better. That line is much more important from everything else. That from that peer, when compared to peer, is lower the better. That means when price to cash flow ratio is lower, then it would better. If I would tell you in a mathematical perspective, then you have to pay 22.91 rupees to earn 1 rupee from that particular company or stock. I hope you get it. I repeat this once. You have to just pay 22.91 rupee to earn 1 rupee from that particular company or stock. If you take another example, if I give you the example of MRF, which is Madras Rubber Factory, which is India's largest tire brand, you can say, its price to cash flow ratio is 20.74. What's that mean? You have to pay 20.74 rupee to earn 1 rupee from that company. Very good. Then jump into another company. Let's take HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited. Basically it is largest FMCG company. Consumer India is mostly on a consumed you can say market. Our most of the economy is run on the consumed product because of our populations and because of our unemployment, obviously. So that is why you will see that this company का जो इस kind of company का जो 5 year growth rate है वो बहुत ही हाई पे होता है. If I will see you in the FMCG, you will search Nifty FMCG. By the way, you will find everything connected to any stock. वो सभी का निफ्टी 50 का इंडेक्स होता है, like Nifty Auto, Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Pharma, everything you will find. You have to just search and explore it. Okay. So if you want to see monthly, then it doesn't show you exactly okay, so the price of Nifty 50 FMCG is kind of bigger than, and the price is more upper than Nifty 50 itself. It says that 15,000, and if you see the monthly return of it is kind of 0 minus 0.3%, which is on the negative side. So if you ignore that and if you want to see the long term growth of that company, so I can say to you that it beats the Nifty 50 return itself, because as I'm told you that, yeah, as I'm told you that India is basically on the consumed market and something like that. So if you see, then the where is the ratio, yeah? So you can explore it. I'm just saying to you, you can explore it as many times and as many uh, indices as you want. I'm just giving you an example. It could be possible that you are watching that video in 2030. It could be possible that 2040. So make sure that you watch the relevant data, not the data that I am showing. The data I am showing in this video could be changed, but not the concept of it, because whatever I am saying is backed by some logic. Okay, so as we are on the price to cash flow ratio, okay, interestingly, Hindustan Unilever के अंदर if you want to earn 1 rupee from that particular company, then you have to pay 45.65 rupee of that company. You have to put into 45.65 rupee into that company to earn just 1 rupee from that company. We we as we know that if there is something written on the 5 rupee, मान लो ये 4 यहाँ पर नहीं है, तो 5.65, यानी कि if I will put just 5.65 into that company and I will earn 1 rupee from that company, so the 1 rupee is constantly it 1 rupee is constant, but the thing that is changed is the price to cash flow ratio. We know that the meaning of price and we know that the meaning of cash flow. कैश फ्लो का मतलब होता है कंपनी के पास कितना ओरिजिनली पैसा आ रहा है. इट डजेंट मैटर दैट कंपनी का रेवेन्यू और कैश फ्लो के अंदर बहुत ही फ़र्क हो सकता है, बिकॉज यू विल नॉट accumulate and you will not considered the expenses, the salaries, the employee salaries and everything of that company. बिजली का बिल हो गया and everything of that company which is company selling for. So ये चेंज होता है, लेकिन कैश फ्लो का मतलब होता है कंपनी हर एक चीज़ करने के बाद कंपनी के पास ओरिजिनली कितना पैसा बचता है. तो ये होता है कैश फ्लो का असली मतलब. तो ये कैश फ्लो मतलब जितना ये जितना कम होता है उतना बढ़िया. आई थिंक आपको समझ आ गया. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी द peer comparison, you can add here if you click on the full view comparison. So I think I have to log in. Yes, so you can click your mobile number and something else, so you will see everything here. So if you want to add something right there, so you can obviously add it. If you don't, then go to the screener, go to the ticker tip and you can find it everything. So ये mainly 3 चीज़ हो गए जो आप इन्वेस्टिंग ट्रेडिंग के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. The first is ticker.phenology, which I used personally, and you can also use this screener, which I don't use basically, but I have seen most of the people use it, but I don't use it personally. So you can see here and you can edit these columns and you can add this like ये आप ऐड कर सकते हो. ये प्राइस टू कैश फ्लो आप ऐड करके कंपेयर कर सकते हो एंड यू विल सी दैट जिसका प्राइस टू कैश फ्लो रेशियो कम होता है. आई थिंक आपको फंडामेंटली समझ आ चुका है कि प्राइस टू कैश फ्लो का मतलब क्या होता है. एंड इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड इट रियली एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली, आप अगर डेट देखोगे तो ये इसका ज़ीरो है, यानी कि इस कंपनी का कोई डेट ही नहीं है यार. कंपनी बहुत ही बढ़िया है. ये हम सबको लग सकता है, लेकिन कंपनी के पास डेट नहीं है इसका मतलब नहीं है कि कंपनी बहुत बढ़िया कर रहा होता है, राइट. सो यू हैव टू कंसिडर ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स. एंड मार्केट बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होता है. इट डजंट एक्चुअली हैपन what you think, and आपको बहुत ही चुन के you have to take the decisions which you are taking. Okay, so price to cash flow I think आपको समझ आ गया है. If you have any query, comment section खुला है, you can ask any questions whatever you want on the relevant topic, and I'm trying to give answer to all of them. So I think आपको समझ आ गया कि I will see you in the next video. Bye. Stay tuned. Like that video. Subscribe our channel to get all this information videos, and it will help you in the future. I guarantee that to you. Bye.